Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi. So this I have here in front of me is a pretty big canvas. It's 3 feet by 1.5 feet. So I've already painted this, the color that I'm going to flood coat it with. This blue that I mixed together with a bunch of different blues. To get this color, which is very, very beautiful. So the idea here is that I am just gonna do a Dutch pour. All my paints are mixed with just water, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour a little bit different in composition this time. Is that not just at one spot, but I'm going to try to play with colors at different locations. So let's get started and let's see how this pans out. All right, now it's a bit tricky mixing your own color because if something goes wrong, you don't have more of it. So let's hope nothing goes wrong and we are able to do this properly. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. Lots of little bubbles. That's what I'm trying to get with this blowtorch. All right. And just go like a wave, and then we'll decide the others. Okay. Let's start off with a magenta. A touch of orange. This is a beautiful orange from Amsterdam. This purple. See, I'm going to blow many portions, so I'm going very thin with my lines. Now, I have this really bright pink. It's like a fluorescent pink. I want to use that. It's a beautiful color from Winsor & Newton, and I will link that in the description. All the colors will be linked in the description. Now, this is Prussian blue. I'm going to go a little bit all over, but a very thin line. And then now these blues, I'm not going to put it everywhere, but I'm putting little dots and lines of it here and there because I don't want it to take over. There's a lot of blue already on the canvas, and you don't want it to be a completely blue story. At least that's not what my intention is here. And if I do thick lines of them, it'll just take over. There we go. Now, I have this beautiful lime green by Liquitex that I'm going to do a little bit of here and there. Let's do some gold. Actually, let's do some white first. Whenever I do a colored base, I always put white in my top colors. It just gives it a nice contrast. And let's go heavy on the gold. All right. Color, not too much. I'm not trying to blow out very far. Go with the blowtorch once we can, or you don't have to. Just pops a few bubbles here and there. That's pretty. Like that. It's a little bit minimal, but it's looking really, really pretty. That's it for this middle. Okay, before we do here, I think let's go with one like this. Yeah, I'm going to go sort of parallel to this because I think the other direction is going to look a bit odd. So let me try something like this. Again, thin lines. The orange didn't show up that well, so I'm going to go a little bit maybe heavier. Yeah. Then I think I'm going to go with gold this time in between. Let's see what that does. Then a little bit of blue here and there, not too much. You can see this already, the blue sort of is trying to take over. Then some white. Let's go all over with this. Bit of this aqua. A little bit of lime green. I think it just was a little too much there. Although it's looking nice against the blue. All right, that's good layering. Not too much. I don't want it sitting, the colors, too much colors sitting around. Now I think something here, so. Okay, I think I got that covered. So far, I'm very happy. Now I just want a little something at these corners. Not too much, just a little something. So I'm going to start with this corner and then go with the other corner. Just whatever color I feel is a bit lacking. The dot of white. Green. A few drops of these purples and blues. get that pop of orange on the other side. I love the combination of orange and magenta. That's why I'm layering it together. And pink. Lime green is for contrast, but it does tend to take over. A few dots of white. Maybe some gold in between. So many colors. It's looking like a rainbow of colors. Okay, cool. I think I missed out on the aqua. I don't know if I put it, but anyway, it won't harm. Okay. Let's see if any cells want to come out. Yeah, plenty. Ooh. I love these tiny, tiny cells. It adds so much character. Very nice. Let me show you a few close-ups. Isn't that gorgeous? And the cells are still increasing. The one we just blew out. So I'm wondering if we need to do anything more. So I just did a balloon dip and I forgot to switch on the camera. But there's one there, guys. Very subtle. And that's the dip on the balloon. And I like it. I'm just gonna go with a small one here. Hey guys, let's try it. That's nice. That's as big as I'm going to get. Same balloon. Nice, like that. Just a few dots.